everybody, Christine Danchuk here. I hope that during this time all of you are safe and well and you are taking the necessary precautions that are required during this coronavirus outbreak to stay safe. And I just wanted to let you guys know that Danchuk is still open during this time and you are able to still get your Trifive parts here and call in and go online. Also, we thought that maybe during this time, if you're at home and you want to take advantage of the time that you have now, you might want to work on that Trifive that's been sitting in your garage, maybe get it going, get it running, and put those parts, those Danchuk parts that it needs. So we're here, like I said, we're open still, so give us a call and get the parts that you need. Also too, I just want to say too that continue to be safe, and we hope that everything will be okay, and we care about you guys, so we just want to make sure that everything is well with you guys. Okay, so have a great day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.